Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our home screen layout, our home screen grid in Samsung S22. So to change our grid layout, we have to go to settings, then in home screen. At the top we have home screen grid. By default it's 4x5. We can of course change it if we want to. And here we have our example visible at the top. And we need to apply done, and our home screen will be visibly changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.